Whenever I get a new bug out location, I just duplicate systems that I have at home that work. I don't try and reinvent the wheel. I don't try and make it complicated. So I'm at a new location right now. I'm gonna show you my water storage, my complete water storage setup. Since I've got a wife and 6 kids, I need several hundred gallons in addition to water filters, which of course you gotta have water filters if you run out of your water. So here's my very simple setup. It's as hot as can be today. I'm sweating like a priest in a place where he shouldn't be. So let's just start with here. So these are heavy. These are the Aquatainer, can't even speak, the 7-gallon Aquatainers. So I have several of these. Even though they are heavy, they're still transportable, meaning I can lift these, I can get them in my car in case I need to evacuate my own home, because you always need water that is transportable in addition to water that's not transportable, like these bad boys here. So this is one of the things that I use for my family, and you can see that I've got several of them here. This is the Scepter 5-gallon one, and not that I ever have trouble taking the top off, but this is the wrench you'll want to have if you had trouble taking the top off. These are also portable, so I can grab them, so I can bug out and flee if I need to. And I like these, but I don't have a ton of these. No real reason why. I just have 2 of these because I got plenty of water. As for larger things, let's start with these bad boys. I want to say it's, I can't remember what the exact 52 gallons, 50 I don't remember the exact one is, but I have 2 of these, so I've got over 100 gallons of water right here. They obviously stack on top of each other. If you have young kids, didn't happen here at a bug out location, but happened in my real house, left our storage room door open, one of my young kids went in there, turned on this spigot, and water went everywhere. So make sure you lock, which we do, but of course I was going in and out, my wife was going in and out, and we left it open, and we had a partial flood and lost a lot of water. When you are filling these up, if you're using tap water, you can put a little bit of bleach just because you don't want to, if you're worried about stuff like if you live in Florida, and I'm not in Florida now, but where I am is hot, and we're in summer obviously, but if you live in Florida and it's brutally hot and the humidity is brutal and all that kind of stuff, and you're not going to store this in a climate controlled environment, like let's just say somewhere in your house or a storage unit that's climate controlled, put some bleach in here, a few teaspoons of bleach, and fill it up and you'll be fine. You do not have to switch your water out every 6 months or every year. You can go years. With that being said, have your water filter. Like if I left this here for the next 10 years, I wouldn't care about changing it out if I did leave it for 10 years, but I would still have my water filter and use it to drink this water. So hopefully that's clear. So I got 2 of these, and then of course I have the more common barrels here. So this is the 55-gallon drum barrel with these. Very, very important. You have a bung wrench. Bung wrench makes life easier because when you need to unscrew it, you put the wrench in the slots here, and then you can turn it, and you can get in there. So I'm going to tighten it up. I don't want anything getting in here. I have 2 of these. So again, between these 2, I have over 100 gallons of water with both of my 55-gallon drums. Now, very important for these, and there was a bunch of crap around here, I was cleaning it up, and my pump, this is what happens when your kids help you with things, my pump was right here. Where in the world does my pump go? So now I have to walk around this new area because I want to show you the pump, it's important, and I always leave my pump right here, but when you have 6 kids, things wander off.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I was shooting this video too fast today. My pump was right in front of my face. That's what happens when you're in a hurry and you got to be somewhere. So you've got to have a water pump for your 55-gallon drums. I actually have multiple of these, and there's another one in there. These are idiot-proof to work. You unscrew using your bung wrench. Let me get this out of the way so make sure you can see. You unscrew the top of this. This is obviously full of water. You insert this all the way in there, and it will stop here at this red part, and then you just pump away. You just pump, pump, pump. Water's going to start gushing out of here, and like I said, it's idiot-proof to use. You don't have to have one of these. You could use some other kind of siphon, but get one of these pumps. They're dirt cheap. You can buy them online, and they just make life a lot easier, which is what you want in a crisis. Remember, you should have ideally 1 gallon of water per person per day in your family. If you've got, excuse me, if you got 8 people in your family, 8, 6, 7, 8, well, 9 on the way. Anyway, it'll soon be 9. Like I do, that's a heck of a lot of gallons of water. I have my transportability ones, as you can see here. I have my ones that I am not transporting because I am not that strong. I can't lift several hundred pounds. And that is my water storage. I urge you to have it too. And remember, it might not be an end of the world crisis. It might be a burst pipe. Where I live in Utah, we had a burst pipe, so there was a boil water alert. It could be something local, so no matter what, have some water storage. God bless you, God bless your family.